Hello and welcome to another SkillsForge video on our business intelligence solution, YellowFin. This video will be demonstrating how to navigate and access the reports that you need, whether you're a report creator or a report consumer. What you're seeing here is the dashboard tab screen, which is what you see as soon as you've just logged in. If you haven't got any dashboards assigned to yourself, then you won't be seeing this, and you'll instead see a small message saying that you haven't been subscribed to any dashboards, but this is what everyone will see once they've just logged in. To go ahead and access the reports themselves, you can find them from this left-hand side menu. You'll find the four-lined menu button here on the side, which will drag across the main menu of YellowFin. You can see these two dashboards listed here at the top. And then to find the reports themselves, I normally go through to Browse and then Browse All. This will simply show all the content within your institution's YellowFin. And just to demonstrate, so this now brings up the whole list of reports. If you wanted, by default, this will show this as with a little thumbnail preview of the reports. But as there's always quite a few reports, I always like to switch this over to the list view, which you can find just in this layout button here. Just to go through searching and finding reports. So if you're looking for reports created by a specific user, you can search for them just by clicking on the column header, and then that will sort these lists of reports based on the column that you've selected. So if I wanted to find reports created by myself, you can see that these are now listed at the top here. Or if you wanted to find the most recently updated reports, you can then just find them by clicking onto the last modified or when they were created. And these are multiple columns here that you can search through. As this is just the large collection of reports, we probably want to find and sort these slightly better and categorize them. So on the left-hand side here, you can see the folder structure that the reports are placed into. Now this is slightly different for each individual, but each institution will have their designated report folder. Clicking onto that will then have a number of subfolders, which is where you'll then find the associated reports within those. And then you can just click through these individual folders and find the reports that you're looking for. You'll notice that the red padlock icon here, that means that an administrator from SkillsForge will have to give the individuals permission to view this folder. So if you're expecting to see a folder here and you're not able to view it, simply get in touch with one of our business intelligence support team and we'll get this access updated for you. So that's just looking through the folders of the reports here. If you know the name of the report itself, you can simply search for that up in the top left search box here. And then this icon to the right of this search box simply sorts this even further. So if you wanted to only search for dashboards, or if you only wanted to search for reports, you can simply change that with this button. And then searching for reports in here. So if I search for reports on supervision, it would give the reports that are available for that. Accessing reports, or rather creating reports, is all done through this yellow plus icon. As this video here is more aimed at just navigating around YellowFin, I'll reference the video that we've also created for the fundamentals of report creating and how sort of the start to finish process of creating a report, which shows this all in detail for the report creators.